Hey y'all, today I am making a really nice sweet treat for Taco Tuesday. I know I usually do savory stuff. This is half a cup of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a good mix. And then just pour just a quarter on the bottom, just like that. For our second layer, we're adding some crescent rolls. Just go ahead and put that down on there. And roll this back. Flatten this out and just put all the seams together. I'm going to set this aside. This is 2 packets of cream cheese, just the regular kind. We're adding 2 eggs. A dash of vanilla flavoring. And to that, we're going to be adding another half cup of sugar. Let's get our trusty mixer. Give it a whirl. What kind of cheesecake do you guys like? Let me know in the comments. I'm like a plain vanilla cheesecake kind of girl, but you might be different. Once we have all that mixed up, we're going to go ahead and bring this back, and we're going to be pouring this all over our crescent roll dough. Just put the whole thing in there, and then just spread everything out. We're taking a second roll of the crescents. This is the original. I know I used the butter flake on the bottom. It doesn't quite matter. Use which one's your preference. And then this gets rolled out as well. Right on top. Isn't this easy? And if it splits apart, that's okay. You just, put them back together. Once you have that done, I'm going to take the rest of that cinnamon sugar. That goes all the way on top as well. Oh, it smells so good in here. And once that's all in there, we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes and then cooled for about an hour. It's not completely cooled, but let's go ahead and give this a cut. Oh, it smells so good. The cinnamon is just amazing. See, that cinnamon sugar on the bottom also helps. It's greased, but it helps. Let me use the top of my plate here. Look at that. Now, if you leave this in the fridge for a few more hours, it will set completely. But I just want to go ahead and dig on in. This is amazing. It's so much lighter than you think. You really need to make this. It's so easy to make. Man, I am taking this to my friends tonight.